Hello you guys and welcome back to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning back in for another tech episode. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 10th generation Amazon Paperwhite.
Introducing the all-new Kindle Paperwhite, the best device for reading, period.
Before we dive into that, make sure to subscribe, like this video. New tech videos coming every week, you guys. I know I've been on a little bit of a hiatus here due to the COVID-19 season. I hope you guys are all staying safe and self-quarantined there. Without further ado, let's get into it and talk about the great new features this Kindle 10th generation has to offer. I'm at home. I'm going to lose the mask so you guys can hear me better. Alright, so what we have is a thin and light, not really a new design in any way, but it has a couple internal updates that are very important that we're going to take a look at. One of the most notable updates with the 10th generation Amazon Kindle is going to be the display. Amazon made a really nice update here where they almost doubled the pixels per inch. So now it is sporting a 300 ppi display. What this means for you is text is going to be laser clear, and as well as pictures are going to be very crisp on this e-display. Reading on this is going to be a very enjoyable compared to the previous generations that didn't have as high as a resolution. Next up on the list is going to be the water resistance feature. So now you can take your Kindle with no worries by the pool, by the spa, with the kids, to the lake, anywhere, and you can know that your Kindle won't get any harm with any splashes or any dips in the water there. So that's certainly a relief feeling as well. Next up, the battery life is amazing on this. It doesn't just last for hours or days, rather weeks. So you can go weeks on a single charge, especially if you're not that heavy a reader. I also have to say thanks to Amazon for the Kindle as well. Really got me motivated and love and enjoying reading a lot more prior to me having this Kindle. So I take this Kindle with me everywhere. It does have an anti-glare display, so whether you're indoors or you're outdoors, the display looks very great. I've never been inconvenienced anywhere I've taken this Kindle. It's super light, it's thin, it can go with you anywhere, which is awesome. And again, the battery life just being outstanding there. So if you're really into reading, I'd recommend it. Some notable features if you're new to the Amazon ecosystem is, of course, you have access to the whole Amazon Kindle and array of books that they offer there. But more than that, you can take notes with any book, and if you come across some vocabulary words that you're unsure of, you can simply just tap on the word, highlight it, and get a definition right there. So you don't have to worry about going and chasing down your phone or a dictionary to look up some words for you. So it has an awesome collection that comes in 8 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes of internal memory, which can hold thousands of books with either way you go. So, and this also has a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. It does support audiobooks, so you can listen to your audiobooks with this Kindle as well. Now we're going to go take a look on how the anti-display does in direct sunlight by going outside. Hi you guys, we're outside. It's pretty sunny out here. We've got a couple clouds, blue skies. But you can see the display just perfectly clear, easy to read, no problem whatsoever. Alright, there you have you guys. That's our review of the 10th generation Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. Highly recommend it if you're very into reading and spend a lot of time in books. This is certainly a great purchase, especially right now having to spend a lot of time at home due to the COVID situation. This can certainly pass a lot of time for you. It certainly does for me. I really enjoy it. I take it with me most places I go. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Again, subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. New tech videos coming every week. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. I really do value you guys' feedback as well as your viewership, so thank you for tuning in for these tech videos. We'll get it figured out. We'll get over this hard time. Just make sure that you guys stay positive and keep in a good mindset and spread that everywhere you go. It really does help a lot of people through this difficult time. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video.